Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a SSD from Samsung. This is the Samsung 990 Pro 4TB SSD. This is PCIe Gen 4 and it looks absolutely amazing. I love the black color scheme. I've been using Samsung SSDs for the last 5 years and none of them have failed even after 1,000 terabytes. I think I have a 980 Pro that has 1,000 terabytes written on it, and it still didn't fail. Still has the same capacity, still has the same speed. They are very reliable. Samsung is probably my favorite brand when it comes to memory, when it comes to SSDs. They're simply the best in my opinion. So the 990 Pro offers read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes, and I think write speeds up to 7,000, but of course we're gonna put that to the test. This is the box for it. As you can see, it's sealed on both sides. Samsung 990 Pro 4TB, made in China, production date 2024. So yeah, this is the box for it. The box doesn't show much info. Obviously we're gonna use Crystal Dismart to make a benchmark once we install this one. As you can see on the box, it says 5 years limited warranty. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after we're done we are going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have an installation guide and a warranty statement. This is pretty much under the box. All you have to do is just push it up and take it out. You can give it a read if you want to, if you don't know how to install an SSD, but it is pretty straightforward. And here we have the SSD itself. This is the back of it. This is the model with no heatsink, so bear in mind you might need a heatsink. It depends what you do with it. They usually don't get that hot, but in some extreme scenarios they do get hot. This is the back of it. This is the front. VNAND SSD 990 Pro PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 4TB. Rated DC, it's 3.3 volts at 2.5 amps. It just looks great. It has a nice weight to it. It's very similar to the 980 Pro that I have. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's all you get inside the box. I am going to install it in my motherboard, and we are going to put it to the test. As I said, we're going to do a crystal disk benchmark after we update the software. Obviously, if you guys want to update the software and firmware per se, you can get something called Samsung Magician if you're using Samsung SSD. It's really handy. You can do benchmarks there, you can do health checks, and you can upgrade the firmware of the SSDs. As I said, I'm only using 970 Evo Plus, 980 Pro and 990 Pro. I would have about 8 TB of storage with this SSD. So yeah, let's go ahead and put it to the test, and I'm going to show you guys the result. So let's go ahead and do that right now.